Hi there everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the Wild Wonders of Southern Africa. So in this episode we are kicking off the year with two very exciting bird species. One is a very rare bat hawk, and I got two for you, a breeding pair, and the other one is a Barrett's warbler. Now Barrett's warblers are found normally in very thick bush riverine areas, but these Barrett's warblers that I found was at God's window, and they're quite special because they've got a sort of a streaky variation to them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Bye for now.
And a seriously cool way to start the year. Breeding pair of bat hawks. Fantastic.